What if you could build a real online income stream, your first $1,000, without ever designing a product, touching a single piece of inventory, or answering one customer service email? Seriously, think about it. A business that pays you simply for recommending products you already like and believe in. Sounds a little too good to be true, doesn't it? Not long ago, I was exactly where you might be right now, drowning in make money online videos, feeling totally overwhelmed. Starting a brand, finding products, building a website. It all felt like a mountain I just couldn't climb. Then I found this system. It's a blueprint for beginners that completely changed the game for me. It's a method that plugs you into one of the biggest and most timeless markets in the world. I'm talking about the health and wellness industry, a space where people are actively and desperately looking for solutions every single day. In this video, I'm going to give you the exact step-by-step system to start earning commissions by promoting other people's health products on YouTube. This isn't a theory. This is the practical, no-fluff guide I wish I'd had when I started. Section 1. The problem and the vicious cycle. Let's be real for a second. The dream of making money online usually crashes headfirst into a very harsh reality. You're told you need a brilliant product idea, so you spend weeks, maybe months, just brainstorming. Then you have to figure out how to get it made, which costs money you probably don't have. Then you have to deal with suppliers, shipping, and building an online store from scratch, and then comes suddenly you're supposed to be an expert in social media, email campaigns, and running paid ads. If a customer has a problem, that's your problem. If a package gets lost, your problem. It's a full-time job before you've even made a single dollar. It is exhausting, and it's why so many people give up. You get trapped in this vicious cycle of learning, getting overwhelmed, quitting, and then starting over a few months later with another complicated idea. This is the wall that stops most people, but what if we could just remove the wall? Section 2. The solution. Affiliate marketing explained. And that's where affiliate marketing comes in. It's the answer to all that friction and complexity. Put simply, affiliate marketing is just earning a commission for promoting another company's products. You find a product you like, you share it with others, and you get a cut of the profit for every sale you generate. The company gives you a unique, trackable link. When someone clicks your link and buys something, the system knows that the customer came from you and you get paid. Your only job is to be the helpful guide, the trusted resource. You don't handle inventory, you don't process payments, and you definitely don't deal with customer complaints. Your entire focus is on creating useful content that connects people with products that can actually solve their problems. On YouTube, this just means making simple videos, like reviews, tutorials, or comparisons, and putting your affiliate links in the video description. It's a business built on being helpful, not on managing logistics. Section 3. Why the health niche is a goldmine for beginners. So why are we zooming in on health and wellness? 3 big reasons. It's evergreen, it's filled with high-paying offers, and it's driven by problems people are desperate to solve. Health isn't a passing trend. It's a basic human need. People are searching for ways to lose weight, sleep better, manage stress, or get more energy. This isn't a small corner of the internet, it's a massive global market, and it's packed with companies willing to pay you very generously for sending customers their way. We're talking about commissions that can be as high as 40–60% for just one sale on some products. There are affiliate programs for supplements, fitness apps, mental wellness subscriptions, and even high-tech health gadgets. For example, on a network like ClickBank, it's not uncommon to find certain supplements with payouts that can be over $100 per sale. The constant demand means a video you make today can keep attracting viewers and earning you money for months, even years. You're tapping into a river of non-stop, passionate interest. Section 4. The step-by-step system. Alright, let's get into the blueprint. I've broken this down into 4 simple, actionable steps. Step 1. Find your sub-niche and audience. The fastest way to fail is to try and talk to everyone. The health niche is huge, so you need to carve out your own little corner. This is called sub-niching. So instead of just health, get specific. Instead of weight loss, think weight loss for busy moms over 40. Instead of just supplements, try supplements for improving focus for students. Some sub-niches that continue to show a lot of promise include areas like biohacking and wearable tech, mental fitness and mindfulness apps, and anti-aging or longevity solutions. So how do you choose? Start with your own interests or something you've struggled with. Authenticity sells better than anything. If you're genuinely curious about a topic, that energy will shine through in your videos and build trust. Once you have a few ideas, just use the YouTube search bar. Type in your potential sub-niche. Are people making videos? Are they getting views? That's your proof that an audience is waiting for you. Step 2. Choose high-converting affiliate products. Now that you have your niche, it's time to find some products. Your goal is to find that sweet spot between products with great commissions and products that are genuinely high quality and helpful. Promoting junk just for a big payout is the quickest way to destroy your credibility. So where do you find these products? You'll want to join affiliate networks. These are just websites that connect you with thousands of companies. For beginners, I recommend starting with these 3. 1. ClickBank. This is a goldmine for digital products and health supplements. It's famous for high commission rates, often in that 40–60% range, and it's very easy to get started. You can easily see stats to estimate a product's potential. 2. ShareASale and Awin. These networks are home to thousands of well-known brands, from supplement companies to fitness apparel and everything in between. 3. Amazon Associates. The commission rates here are lower, but Amazon's power is in its massive selection and the fact that everyone trusts it. It's often easier to get a sale, making it a great place to start with physical products like workout gear or healthy cookbooks. When you apply to these programs, be professional. Link to your YouTube channel, even if it's brand new. In the description box, just write something simple like, "I am building a YouTube channel focused on your niche, and I plan to create honest product reviews and helpful tutorials for my audience." Step 3. Create simple content that sells. You do not need to be a professional videographer. Your phone is more than good enough. And even better, you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Here are 3 dead simple video formats that work like a charm for affiliate marketing. 1. Listicle videos. Think top 5 supplements for better sleep or 3 best mindfulness apps for anxiety. You can make these using simple stock footage, text on the screen, and a voiceover. You're just explaining the pros and cons of each item, with your affiliate links waiting in the description. 2. Screen-recorded tutorials. This is perfect for digital products or apps. Promoting a fitness app? Record your screen while you walk viewers through how to use it. You're providing a ton of value by making it less intimidating for them to get started. 3. Hands-only demo videos. You don't need to show your face for this either. Just point the camera at your hands as you unbox a product, show it from all angles, and demonstrate how it works. This hands-on view builds a lot of trust. The key with all of these is to focus on the outcome, not just the features. Don't say, "This supplement has magnesium." Say, "This supplement has magnesium, which can help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed." You're selling an outcome, not an ingredient. Step 4. Get your first viewers and commissions. Okay, let's talk about getting people to actually watch your videos. Let's be clear, this doesn't happen overnight. While affiliate marketing is a simpler model, earning your first $1,000 will require time, consistency, and building an audience. It's not instant, but it's absolutely achievable. You don't need to be in the YouTube Partner Program to use affiliate links, which is a huge advantage. The main way you'll get traffic is through YouTube search. That means you need to think like your audience. What are they typing into that search bar? Your video title needs to match their search. A great title format is Best Product Category for Specific Audience in 2026. For example, Best Protein Powders for Women in 2026. Consistency is your superpower here. Aim to publish at least 1 new video every week. Each video is another digital asset, another chance for someone to find you. It takes time for the momentum to build, so don't make the classic beginner mistake of giving up too soon. When you upload, make sure your affiliate links are clearly labeled in the description. A simple disclosure is required by the FTC. Something like, affiliate link. The links in this description are affiliate links. If you purchase through them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Is perfect for transparency. I know that's a lot of information, and I've got a question for you. What health sub-niche are you most curious about exploring? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. Finally, if you got some value out of this video, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff guides to making money online. So, that's the blueprint. It's a system designed to remove all the biggest roadblocks for beginners. No creating products, no managing inventory, no customer service headaches. Just you, your YouTube channel, and helpful content. Let's recap the 4 steps real quick. 1. Find your sub-niche. Get specific so you can stand out. 2. Choose your products. Join networks like ClickBank and ShareASale. 3. Create simple content. Focus on listicles, tutorials, and demos. 4. Drive traffic. use search-friendly titles, and most importantly, be consistent. The path to your first $1,000 online doesn't need to be some complicated maze. It requires focus and consistent effort, but the model itself is simple. You can literally start this today. Your first video doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be published. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.